In this video, I'm going to review frequency distributions. Okay. What's frequency distributions? Frequency distribution shows the number. Bottom line is this is frequency distribution table, and this is the histogram. Table and histogram. That's frequency distribution. For example, okay, when you have a data like this, okay, student 1 is age 19, and student 2 is age 21, 3 is age 18, 4 is age 19, 19, 20, 18, blah blah blah. So what, okay, frequency distribution table for age, for example, is, okay, the number of people whose age is 18 years old. That's two people are 18 years old, okay, and 3 people are 19 years old, and number of people who are 20 years old, 3. Number of people who are 21 years old, 2. So that's frequency distribution. And sigma means a sum. Okay. F is frequency distribution. So sum of all the frequency distribution is 10. 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 equals 10. Okay. Oh, here talking about proportion and percentage. Difference in proportion and percentage. You kind of have to know what that means. Proportion is based on the value over 10, and the percentage is based on the value over 100. So, well, it's a common sense. Percentage is a common sense, kind of common sense, but proportion, well, it's in Japanese. I think it's called wariai. No, I don't think so. Anyway, it's the same concept. Okay. Okay, frequency distribution can be, a group's frequency distribution. For example, okay, the GRE score 1,000 or below, only nobody's in this category. GRE score 1,001 to 1,050. In this category, there's one person, and between 1,051 to 1,100, there are 29 people, and 77 people are in between 1,101 and 1,150. So this is also another example of frequency distribution. When you turn into a graph, it looks like this. This is called histogram. And knowing how to draw a histogram is kind of important. When you draw a histogram, this group corresponds here, and this group corresponds with here. So it's 1, and this group corresponds with this, and 29. So, and you don't make sure you don't have a space between the bars. That's the rule, kind of general thumb rule for drawing a histogram. Okay, I could also graph the relative frequencies, that is the proportions. And this one is using the actual numbers of people falling into the category group. 1, 29, all these. And this is using the proportion, and it shows the same shape, of course. Okay, what if we have the nominal scale data? Okay, you could create a bar graph of frequency distribution table, like female and male. Okay, this is measured on a nominal scale, and there are 216 female and 184 males. So that's the graph. You can do that too. And you can turn it into a pie chart, and you know, proportion, you can use a proportion like that too. And here you can also use a proportion here too. Notice that the sum of all proportions is going to be 1. You know, sum of all percentage is going to be 100%, and 100% for proportion is 1.